Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. What is Adobe.com? Adobe is the official website of Adobe, the company behind some of the most powerful creative tools in the world. If you've ever heard of Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Adobe Stock, that's all Adobe. Adobe tools are used by designers, YouTubers, video editors, photographers, marketers, freelancers, online business owners. And here's the key point: Adobe is not just software, it's an entire money-making ecosystem. How Adobe can help you make money. Most people think Adobe is just programs you pay for, but creators who understand it use Adobe to earn income in several ways. Let me break it down clearly. Method 1. Sell designs and assets. This is the closest to passive income. Adobe has Adobe Stock, where creators upload photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, templates, AI-generated content with rules. How it works: 1. You create assets using Adobe tools. 2. Upload them to Adobe Stock. 3. People license your work. 4. You earn money per download. Your content can sell again and again. Method 2. Freelancing using Adobe skills. Adobe tools are industry standard. If you know Photoshop, right arrow social media, thumbnails, photo editing. Illustrator, right arrow logos, icons, branding. Premiere Pro, right arrow YouTube and Reels editing. After Effects, right arrow animations, intros, ads. You can sell services on Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour. Direct clients. Clients trust Adobe users because companies use Adobe. Method 3. YouTube and content creation. Many YouTubers make money by editing videos in Premiere Pro, creating thumbnails in Photoshop, animations in After Effects. You can monetize through ads, sponsorships, courses, affiliate links. Adobe skills equals content quality. Upgrade equals more views equals more income. Method 4. Create and sell digital products. Using Adobe, you can create social media templates, business flyers, resume templates, brand kits, printables, YouTube thumbnail packs. Then sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip. Your own website. Create once, right arrow, sell forever. What skills do you need to start with Adobe? Let's be real and honest. Beginner skills enough to start earning. Basic Photoshop or Illustrator. Simple layouts. Text plus image composition. Understanding size and export formats. You don't need to be an expert to start making money. Advanced skills, higher income. Photo manipulation. Logo and brand identity. Video editing workflows. Motion graphics. UI UX design. AI-assisted creative workflows. Higher skill equals higher pay. Adobe plus AI equals faster money. Adobe now includes AI tools: Adobe Firefly, background removal, generative fill, image expansion, text to image, auto video edits. This means less time working, more output, higher productivity, more income potential. Smart creators use AI to scale, not to cheat. How much money can you make using Adobe? Let's talk numbers. Beginners, small but growing income. Freelancers, consistent monthly earnings. Stock contributors, passive income. Experts, full-time income or more. Adobe doesn't pay you directly for using software, it pays you for what you create with it. Why Adobe is worth learning? Here's why Adobe is powerful. Skills are globally recognized. Works for freelancing, stock, YouTube business. Scales with experience. Combines creativity plus income. Used by professionals worldwide. Learning Adobe is like learning a digital trade. If you want real online skills, want income, not shortcuts, like creative work, want long-term value, then learning Adobe tools is one of the smartest decisions you can make. Start with one program. Practice daily. Monetize early. Improve as you go. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Leave your comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.